Listen.
Look, you can see a crack right there in that one.
And right here.
And on this side.
Oh. Can I see?
Yeah, you can go look it up. Do you think it was Christmas morning around here? It's kind of better in some ways. What do you think of your first hatching?
He doesn't know.
He's really excited though.
Our chicks are hatching. It's been 20 days since Grace put these chicks in the incubator, and the first one is hatched out. And you know what they say, the early bird gets warm right first. He's getting dried out and warm in there. And we're just watching. There's 6 other eggs. So we'll see if they hatch out today or if they wait till tomorrow. 21 days. He's taking a nap. Now he's active. Now he's resting. And now he's gonna take another nap. Nap time. Sleeping. What are you doing? All right, get a handful and go feed those chickens. If you've been following our channel, you'll remember that last week we were worried that one of these, our youngest pigs, was sick. And I don't think he is sick. We've been watching him, what it's been, I think 3 days since that day. And he's not been coughing. He's eating, he's drinking. So we're gonna call that a false alarm. Brownie, come on. Eating breakfast, watching chicks hatch.
It's kind of one of the coolest things that I feel like I've really ever done in my life. This is super fun. It's a little early for flowers. Oh, the bulbs. Yeah, bulbs are fine.
Brighton accidentally just knocked the top of the incubator half off, which removing the lid's a big no-no because you can dry out the membrane. That drop in humidity can dry out the membrane on the inside of the eggs and can make it harder for the remaining chicks to escape. So here's the little shell that cute little chick came out of. Bree and the kids are doing school in there. We have this brand new freezer up and running in our storage room with a ton of space in it. It's time to clean out the freezer downstairs and find out what's actually in the freezer downstairs. Here we descend into darkness. Darkness. Ha ha ha. Alright, there's a ton of good meat in here. I probably need to go ahead and defrost this freezer. It's got a little ice buildup in there.
A lot more odds and ends down there than I thought.
The Rhodes chickens are on the top shelf right there. and it makes you question how much you're worth. We traded those for my help with a butchering project. How many chickens an hour are you worth? This is miscellaneous meats. There's some stuff back to Rhodes turkey, and there's one old hen.
And these are actually from not last summer, but the summer before. So we'll probably try them out and see if they're any good.
Yep.
Yep, otherwise they'll go to the pigs. Thank goodness for pigs, huh?
Yeah.
And we'll stop buying meat and get this cleaned out and get ready to put some pig in it.
Do you see that little chick?
Sheep.
Yeah. No, he can touch.
He can touch. He's...
It's kind of the same story as yesterday. Just chipping away at this job of knocking up the red oak rounds I have down here and throwing them in this pile so I can get them on a day when the ground is totally frozen. Not today. What's wrong? I'm trying to figure out if he's afraid of the wood splitting or if it's the cow. Is it the cow? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Look at all the stuff to grab. Look at all this. Look at those leaves. There's dirt, there's leaves, all your favorite things. But here, they're everywhere. In the house, you have to hunt for them.
It's fun out here. Look at these little holes.
These are surely pasture-raised kids. What did I say about chipping away at work?
What?
I think I got about 5 minutes of work done, but we sure did have fun. So far, just one little chick in the incubator. This one has a chip mark on it, whereas the chick's been working on it. And so does, I think, that one over there. But we're still waiting. Nothing's happening, it doesn't seem. The one chick that has hatched is actually a day early, so I don't really know what to make of this. It's a little concerning to me that the other eggs haven't continued to progress. It's actually possible that we caused them to die, which this is real. If you take the cover off an incubator as an egg is hatching, that cold, dry air can actually dry out that membrane and prevent the chicks from hatching. So we'll see. We'll keep you updated and let you know how the rest of the chicks are doing tomorrow morning. So stay tuned, show up tomorrow and we'll definitely let you know. And we will be watching eagerly. It's been another great day on the homestead. Thank you so much for joining us. Goodbye.